What's up, guys? Everybody in the Freedom Group. Wanted to shoot this video real quick. I don't post in here very often. I should post more value for you guys, but I wanted to share with you guys this particular trade that I'm in. As you notice, I'm only trading one pair, and that's the Euro NZD right now. And I'm going to probably be trading this one pair all week. And one of the powerful benefits of learning from IMARKETSLIVE Academy is they teach you how to twin trade and how to stack positions. So you really only need to find one good trade per week, and obviously we send out multiple trades, multiple pairs, multiple opportunities every week to trade. I've found one that I really like, and I'm going to be layering into this one trade all week because I understand market structure and the direction of this particular pair for the rest of the week. I'm going to be keeping an eye on it, but I'm going to be looking to add a couple more positions as this trade unfolds. So super exciting, and if you guys have not gotten plugged in yet, get back to the person who invited you to this group, and let's get you started. Let's get you plugged in, guys. All right, talk to you soon.